Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 121st program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use color property. We'll start with doctype HTML tag, head, style type equals to text slash CSS, p tag, color blue. Now h1 tag, color green. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, and we'll start body tag. And now we'll end h1 tag. Now we'll end p tag. Now we'll end body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 121 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. 121st program. So this is our basic output of how to use color property. And don't forget to check the text in description for the clear and basic understanding. And please like, share